what you need in a windstorm is all this debris left hanging here. Get the light over here, sorry. All this debris to come flying around. Look at this. So we've got this nasty storm that we knew was coming. And I've reported several times this week, at least 3 to the headquarter office in Lansing at PK Management, but locally, multiple times, locally asking, please pick some of this garbage up because it's so dangerous where we're walking around. And this is just absolutely landed on deaf ears. This. That's new tubs up there. Yeah, that's good. New tubs sitting out in the weather. Maybe one of those will be airborne, ram into something or somebody. Just all the crap they haven't bothered to pick up is now laying around.